Hello there. We have already explored how to add SEO titles and descriptions, how to add structured data markup and configure sitemap for each page or category. But what if you are building e-commerce site with 10,000 products? Yes, theoretically, within adding products you can add meta descriptions and structured data for each product manually. But what if someday you will decide to change the template for product meta titles? You will need to do it in 10,000 products. It's a nightmare for SEO specialists. But we have good news for you. You can automate the process of adding and editing SEO data. In Gridbox, you can set default SEO settings for pages and categories. In this video tutorial, we will talk about default SEO settings in Gridbox and how to create SEO templates using data tags. To open default SEO settings, open Page Settings, tab SEO, and in the bottom you will default settings. Click on it to open. As you can see, you can set default settings for meta title and description, sharing, sitemap, and schema markup. Yes, by default Gridbox e-commerce app includes structured data with already added data tags. As an example, let's create a template for meta title and description. For title, type by, select data tag, page title, for, select data tag, product currency, again select data tag, product price, type on, and select data tag site name. For field description, we will use custom field, product description. Don't forget to save the default SEO and page settings. In search results, your page title will look like this. By red color we have marked dynamic data, which will be taken from your product data. So, using default SEO settings and data tags you can save a huge amount of time and generate unique titles and meta descriptions from one place. Link to available data tags you will find in the description below. Let's go back to Gridbox. For categories, default SEO settings should be configured in the same way. Open Category Settings, tab SEO, and open Default Settings. Few things you should know. First, enter default SEO data for the pages will be applied to all pages within the app. The same and for categories. Second, if you need to override default SEO data for some specific page or category, just open Page Settings, navigate to the tab SEO and manage SEO data. Default SEO data will be overridden by entered info. So, that's all for today. Enjoy!